ito yung report ko sa Laboratory 9 for Advanced Mathematics. And then for starters, ito yung code na given ng book, which has a given na n is equals to 10. Ayun. And then sabi is, palitan daw yun ng n ng iba't ibang value, which are 30, 50, and 100. So for 30, for 50, and then for 100. So ang masesense nating difference nila is mas nagsusmooth yung part na to, mas mataas yung n. And then now we will go to the main activity, which is to make a 2-paneled window na kasama yung DC, and sa yung DC ay sa first panel, and then yung sum ay sa second panel. And then for this one, gawin muna natin n is equals to 30. N is equals to 50, and then n is equals to 100. This is for the square wave. And then now we will move on to the sawtooth wave. First, n is equals to 30, and then n is equals to 50, and then lastly n is equals to 100. There, mas mukha na siyang smooth, mas mataas kasi yung n. And then lastly, for the triangular wave, n is equals to 30, there, n equals to 50, then n is equals to 100. What we can notice is pare-parehas lang siya in the naked eye. And then for easier view, I made summary ng tatlong wave para makita yung difference nila. For the square wave, yan. For the sawtooth wave, there, mas mataas yung n, mas nagmumukha siyang smooth. And lastly, for the triangular wave, na as I mentioned earlier, ay mukha lang magkakatulad. And then that's all for my report on Laboratory 9 on Advanced Mathematics Laboratory. Thank you.